Hey everybody, Michelle with Michelle's Frugal Living here. Thanks for watching my videos. And today is Sunday, April the 22nd of 2018. I went to Walgreens briefly to do the little moneymaker deal on this all Power Core packs. You know, it's the single dose ones, okay? Not the liquid. Although you could get the liquid all for free with the coupon in Saving Star if you want. But this one's a moneymaker. And I needed a penny filler, and I got those Lindsay olives. They were 2 for $2. Okay, so here's the deal. We got this coupon right here for $2 off of any of these. See, it's a single dose. It doesn't have a size restriction on it. And then we got $1 off of any all product. All right, so they're on sale for $1.99 right here. Here's the thing. This $2 coupon, well, it beeped for me. I asked her if she could manually reduce it to $1.99 because they can manually put stuff in, and she said, I'll just make it $2. I'm like, okay. So she did. But this coupon right here works on any all products. So if you can't get them to use the $2 coupon, just have them, the $1 coupon should scan just fine. I was prepared to give her that if she didn't want to take the coupon. I was going to give her the $1 coupon, but she went ahead and did that. So, so if you use the $2 coupon, it's free. That's why I needed a penny of something else, so I threw in the Lindsay olives. Okay. Now, Saving Star has a rebate that showed up that matches both of these coupons. There's one for $2 on these single dose ones, or you can get $1 on any. And I suspected that this product would trigger both of them, and it did. So here's the thing. I'm going to get $3 back for this from Saving Star. So even if you didn't have a coupon, and these were in the Retail Me Not that came today, I think it's probably printable on Red Plum's website. So you can go there and check if you didn't get the inserts. So even if I just paid $1.99 for that and submitted for Saving Star, it was still, you'd still get $3 back. Okay, so it'd still be a moneymaker. So I got the $2 coupon off of that, and I should get $3 back from Saving Star. So here's my receipt. See, there's where the coupon is right there. So I just had to pay for the olives and the little bit of tax on the all. I did get 10 everyday points back. So anyways, that's my deal today. Talk to you guys later.